Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn & Company. It's Tuesday, January 10th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Higher trade in soybeans as you got that close above $10 mark. That offers some support here. You're right on that 100 and 200-day moving average, which does offer support, as does the fact of being above $10. And so on a technical side of things a little bit friendly on the soybean side. You're going to be stuck in a little bit of a rut, not changing too much until you get some fundamental news for soybeans. And your first chance of that is really Thursday's crop report. So there's a lot of information coming out of Thursday's crop report, but that's your first chance at some fundamental news following through with South America, how everything's going there. Everything is looking fantastic in Brazil. The big question is just Argentina. They're still going through the late end of planting. They've had some dryness. They've had a little bit of patches of too wet. And so over the next month and a half or so, you're really going to see how these beans pan out at Argentina. And that following the January 12th report should offer fundamental news to break this range trade. Over into corn and wheat, really didn't move a whole lot. Corn closing down just almost 2 cents on the day. Wheat market steady to down 3 cents on the day. So there just wasn't a whole lot of movement after you saw that late round buying yesterday from index funds. I think traders are hoping you'd see it here today, but you just didn't really see that. Maybe you get a shot before Thursday's crop report with tomorrow's action. And then over into the meat markets, that's actually where you saw some movement on the day. Reversed off its lows here for both live cattle, feeder cattle. Live cattle and feeder cattle closed just below limit higher on the day, so some good trade there. And then lean hogs up $1.40 on that front contract. Over into the outside markets, crude down once again. It was down hard yesterday, was again as it seems like really OPEC's cut is starting to wear off. You're really realizing that it doesn't make too much of a difference. We're still dealing with a whole lot of production, and also the fact that above $50 mark, a lot of areas, including the U.S., pick up on production, and so it's not really getting them anywhere. The U.S. dollar slightly higher, stock market just slightly lower, so not a whole lot of information. So like I said, tomorrow's going to be choppy trade. Thursday's when you're going to get the big crop report. Lots of information. You're going to get some stock numbers. You're going to get carryout numbers. You're going to get yields. You're going to also get some winter wheat seeding, some acreage there. So that should offer a lot of trade action for these grain markets moving forward. Over into the meat markets, really cash trade was soft last week, so we need cash trade to strengthen up this week, really to offer us some support to follow through with this future rally. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.